So we are in a place like it's a monastery here in Sibulan. I cannot remember. It's a monastery with a really beautiful church. So it's raining though. So we don't know how to go around. Thankfully, we brought some umbrellas. So we're here at around, I think it's already 3 p.m. But it's open until 6. Ah! Look at the family. Talaga, pakamartir kami akyat. Aray. With the payong, with the cane. Go pa, go, go. Saya, kaya pa. This is what we came here for. You can see from the distance. Oh, pahuway mo na.
Mio, hindi ko kaigo.
We're going up the sanctuary.
Go! Kindahan ka gani ka baston.
Ah, di ba? Buti na lang ganito yung mga sleepers natin. Kundi sira.
Ayun gani, natabuan mo sa adlaw ngayon, nakakatin ako ang pantalon.
Kundi sira sapatos natin. Buti na lang nakaganito. We're on top of the mountains and it's raining heavily. Tingnan siya. A little bit more. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. Kami basa. Maganda yung grounds actually. If you can see from here. Yun nga lang, umuulan so we cannot check the grounds. Here. Ayan, Mama is in SM Seaside in Davao. But we don't know where to go. This way, I think. Or that way. Ang laki pala na to. Ama, ang laki ng mall.
Seaside Mall.
Oo.
Branch of Kingston.
Hindi ko lang alam. Diba? A new SM. Now lang. Now kong nakita. Oh, may sofa. Sa una damo-damo kung nga shoes nga sofa. At least 3 pairs. Out of the 3 pairs, only 1 survived. I even brought it in open. Saan ba ang toilet? That way, moms. Ah, may sale. Uy, may oxygen pa. Buhi pang oxygen. Uy, may wakon. Sila nga wakon lang yun. Oh. Ayan, dito yung cinema nila. Cinema. Surplus Shop, Time Studio, Mugna, Leather Art. Uy! Nice! Mga leather naman. Ito ka namin magbakal sa belt. Japan Home Center, kamiseta. Ang layo naman ng pupuntahan natin siya. Diyos ko, nagatindog ng barahibo ko. Dinner. What's the place called? Itco like Pro. I don't know if that's the name of the rice.